saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it?
Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I got this wig from Tape-Elvahairwigs.com, and I will leave all of the links down below in the description box. I did get my package via DHL and it took about 2 days to get to me. So inside my package I did get a hairnet, and this is the bag that the wig came in. As you can see, it's like a Ziploc bag, so you can always put your wig right back in there for storage. So this is the wig straight out of the package. It does have a secured net around it, and it did have tissue paper in it to keep the shape. So this is a 360 natural wave wig, meaning 360 meaning it has lace all around so that you can put it up in a ponytail if you wish. So it does have 3 or 4 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps as well. So I always tell you guys not to cut off the lace before you try the wig on, and this is what the wig looks like before I do anything to it. This is the wig in its natural state. As you can see, you can put it up in an updo if you want, and here I am just, you know, trying it out, seeing how I like it, you know, trying to see which way I want to style it and position it. And then I figured out the curls were a little too tight for me, so I just finger combed through them, and I did experience a lot of shedding, but it did stop after a while. As you can see, I'm pulling hairs out and I'm just finger combing it. I haven't even ran my comb through it yet, and it is shedding. It's not tangling though, and the hair is very, very soft. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, those baby hairs were just a little too long and very unrealistic. So I wanted to cut them and just make sure it looks nice. And you guys, I wanted to take the wigs back to the days when we did not have to, you know, adhere them to our head. You know, you want to save those edges, no glue, no tape or anything like that. So I did take advantage of the combs and also the adjustable straps that came with this wig. And as for my baby hairs, I just used some Eco Styling Gel and a toothbrush, and I just laid them down. And believe it or not, you guys, the wig was very secure. I mean, of course, if you pull on it, it's gonna come off, but it's just going to slide back just a little bit. It's not nothing too crazy, especially if you use the combs and you won't have that issue. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And I'll also, later on in this clip, I did go in with some concealer on my part. At first I didn't want a part, but then I used a really deep side part, and I put some, not concealer, I'm sorry, I used my foundation, my face powder foundation on the part, and that's pretty much it. You guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let me know what you guys think. Are you tired of adhering wigs to your head? Would you like to take it back in the days when we didn't have to do that? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and let's talk. I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame.